welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting video to share with you. I'm going to be reviewing a brand and doing an unboxing. So let's just get into it. So guys, I am so excited to announce that this video is in partnership with Zara Flint. I am officially a Zara Flint brand ambassador, and I'm super excited about the work I'll be doing with them. Just a little bit about Zara Flint. So Zara Flint is a luxury shoe designer, and she makes shoes with not only style but comfort in mind. So her kind of motto is style without sacrifice. So she believes not only in great style but comfort, and I'll get into that as I share more about the brand with you guys, because I will be sharing about this brand over time. So today I just want to kind of do a review overall, introduce you to Zara Flint, and I'll be sharing more details as I continue to work with the brand. The brand is based out of New York, so let's just get into it. As I mentioned, this video is in partnership with them, and this is what they sent me. Here's how the item comes packaged. The packaging is absolutely stunning. It's tied with a ribbon. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The card, so this is like a little envelope holder, and this is like my packing slip, kind of like my receipt and all. This is a luxury brand. I really love that the brand is all about quality, because as you guys know, I really do believe in cost per wear and making sure you're kind of adding statements, pieces that you can keep over time. I'm more of a fan of quality over quantity. So I'm really excited about this, guys. Let's just get into the unboxing. Royal blue packaging, even the design on the side, look how luxe this is. And I love how they tied it with the ribbon, so I'll take it off. And the ribbon is super cute. It says walk like a woman. Again, inside it says walk like a woman. Instructions for the vachetta leather, I'll go over that. There's a little bit about the shoe design. It's so beautiful, guys. Look how it's packaged. So let me just quickly read the card. It says, welcome to our family, handmade by the finest Italian artisans. Every Zara Flint shoe is a celebration of craftsmanship handed down over generations. We believe meticulous construction and exceptional materials make for better shoes and even better experiences. We stand behind the principle of style without sacrifice. And this says, this shoe was handcrafted and finished with care in Italy by Anna. So like that person signed the card. And then it says Zara Flint. It's a little bit about the collection, sizing, all of that. There's a description as well. It says, thoughtful luxury at Zara Flint. Small details are more important than grand gestures. Timeless fashion beats out passing fads. Killer style does not mean sacrificing comfort. We focus on flawless fit, quality, construction to give you luxury shoes that not only look perfect on the outside, but feel perfect on the inside. Designed with features like extra footbed padding and wider toe boxes, each shoe goes through rounds of prototyping and testing, because we can't give you what we wouldn't wear ourselves. We're excited to be part of your busy lives and beautiful wardrobes. XO Zara Flint. As you can see, this is why I so am excited about working with this brand. Just look at, again, the attention to detail, and this is just the packaging. So instead of like this being like regular just tissue, it's a total cloth. Shoes are here in dust bags. So let's take that out. Oh my goodness, look how stunning. Do the other shoes look absolutely stunning. Like, they are gorgeous. So I did go for a sandal, a flat leather sandal with leather outsole. It comes with cotton ties, and it's a traditional style constructed in the Amalfi Coast in the traditional capri style. Super exciting. It has the signature two-tone flip with a playful detail, and I'll show you guys that. And just some inspirational notes. Note from the designer, she was inspired to create these because she was always fascinated with gladiator sandals. So this is kind of her take on that. I cannot wait to wear these guys. They are just absolutely stunning. So why don't we just try these on? Sandal is constructed so beautifully. I love the reverse detail here. Gives it a little kind of additional dimension there. Again, the cotton ties, which are excellent because they're meant to create no friction against your skin, so the most comfortable wear. And just look how stunning and also unique. Like, I have never seen a sandal with this much simplicity, but at the same time, attention to detail. The tie, guys, is very on trend right now. You will see me styling up this sandal in many ways. I'm super excited about being a brand ambassador for Sarah Flint, and I can't wait to share with you guys so much more about the brands and about my new shoes. Of course, I will include all the details below for the website so you guys can shop. If you are interested in the particular sandals I got, I will link those down below. I will also put a code on the screen now that you guys can use to get a discount. So using my code, you will receive $50 off your first order. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.